I want to introduce, I was talking in the morning itself that we have a wonderful poet in Kerala, Madam Sugat Kumari ji. She is poet in real life. She is a wonderful poet, no doubt in her poetry. She will read in English and one poetry in Malayalam also. But in her life also she is a poet, because the work she is doing, I think every poet should do. She is helping mental retarded girls, men, women, and she is helping the leftover these girls who are staying in roads. She give them shelter. She give them education, food, and all. She is protecting our ancient culture in Kerala. She's I won't say she's activist. She looks very, very humble, very sweet, and she's very, very sick also now these days. But I am really, really grateful. I am thankful. I am honored, and I thank Madam. Please come and oblige us by your voice.
Friends and fellow poets, I'm so honored to be among you today. I don't think I should read many of my Malayalam poems. I'll just read one poem. And for my Malayali friends here, I'll read another poem. And I'll give you translations of one or two of my Malayalam poems into English. The first one is an old one. What is the color of love? What is the color of love? സ്നേഹത്തിനെന്തേ നിറം. മലയാളി സുഹൃത്തുക്കൾ ഒരുപാട് വട്ടം കേട്ടിട്ടുള്ളതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാനധികം അത് ഒരു 6 വരിയെ ചൊല്ലുന്നുള്ളൂ. സ്നേഹത്തിനെന്തേ നിറം, സ്നേഹത്തിനെന്തേ നിറം, സ്നേഹത്തിനെന്തേ നിറം, പിഞ്ചു പൈതലിനേറെ വിശപ്പെഴും ചുണ്ടിൽ ഇറ്റിറ്റു വീഴുന്ന വെൺമുലപ്പാലുപോൽ അത്ര വെളുത്തതാണല്ലോ. സ്നേഹത്തിനെന്തേ നിറം, യൗവന സ്വപ്നദാഹശതങ്ങൾക്കു മുന്നിൽ ചൊടിയാർന്നു വിടരുന്ന ചെമ്പനീർ പൂവുപോൽ തൊടുതൊടെ ചോന്നതാണല്ലോ. സ്നേഹത്തിനെന്തേ നിറം, പിന്നെ അന്തിയിൽ തീരെ തളർന്നു വീഴുമ്പോൾ ഒടുവിലത്തെ വാക്കു തേടുന്ന ചുണ്ടുകൾ ഇടറിപ്പിടഞ്ഞു കൂമ്പുമ്പോൾ ഇറ്റിറ്റു വീഴുന്ന തീർത്ഥബിന്ദുക്കൾ പോൽ അത്ര കുളിർന്നതാണല്ലോ. ഇറ്റിറ്റു വീഴുന്ന ബാഷ്പബിന്ദുക്കൾ പോൽ അത്ര ചുടുന്നതാണല്ലോ. വരളുമ ചുണ്ടിൻ അവസാന ദാഹത്തിൽ ഒഴുകി നിറയുന്നതല്ലോ. നിറവിയ നീടുന്നതല്ലോ, നിറമൊന്നുമില്ലാത്തതല്ലോ. സ്നേഹത്തിനെന്തേ നിറം, നിറവിയ നീടുന്നതല്ലോ, നിറമൊന്നുമില്ലാത്തതല്ലോ. What's the color of love? What's the color of love? White. It is like mother's milk, falling drop by drop, drop by drop, on the famished lips of a tender babe. What's the color of love? It is white, like mother's milk. Tell me, what's the color of love? It is red, red it is, glowing like the red, red rose, petals opening out in vigorous joy, aflame with all the thirsts and dreams of youth. It is red. What's the color of love? It is red, like the dreams of youth. Tell me, what's the color of love? It is like the midsummer sun, golden, Fire and smoke and brilliant light it is. Crown of dazzling gold on the forehead's words. Tell me, what's the color of love? Is it golden? No. At eventide, at nadir of weariness, when trembling lips try to shape the last words, and when holy water falls drop by drop, drop by drop, it is cooling. And drop by drop, hot tears fall, drop by drop, it is burning. Holy water falls drop by drop, drop by drop, it is cooling. And hot tears fall, drop by drop, drop by drop, it is burning hot. In the throes of the last thirst, on the scorched lips, love comes flowing in. It fills, it flows over, it flows over, it is full. It fills, it flows over, it is full. It has no color at all. What's the color of love? It is like teardrops, like holy water. It has no color. What's the color of love? It is filling, it is burning, it is cooling, but it has no color. It has no color. Colossus is sin incarnate. I'm not reading the Malayalam, I'm reading only the English translation. Long ago, beyond the memory of man, in a blind night eclipsing sun and moon, writhing in pain, mother gave birth to a child. In the dark moment when the first brother slew the first brother, when the first brother killed the first brother and buried him, that child woke up and cried. Then, as murders raged in seething darkness, as life surged up in triumph, and deceit stole close with daggers hidden behind smiles, the child grew strong and smart. His mother's milk not relishing, he searched for battlefields and blood and laughed in glee at the sight of them. He searched for blood and laughed. He began to run about. He grew dark as night. His fiery eyes grew round and teeth and nails grew long. And once he saw the agony at Calvary, sucking that in. Another 6 feet he grew. Thus as he grew and stood a terrible figure, tall and straight, our forefathers fed him well. Our forefathers fed him well. They fed him on famine, on the tortures of war, on the pain of the desert, through which came slaves writhing under whips and groaning under loads of stone. Life crawled into night, burdened with centuries of pain and sin. Life crawled into night, burdened with centuries of pain and sin. And now the colossal terror stands shaking the earth. He is hungry. We too feed him well, with piled up suffering hill high, with the blood of world war, with the ever-burning smoky flame of Hiroshima, with the greedy hatred of empires, swallowing each other, with the debris of broken ideals. The more we give, the fiercer the monster grows, and the hungrier he grows, he grows, he grows. He grows taller than the sky. Towards us his arms come lengthening, his mouth gaps wider. We pour into it the tears of dharma and again the blood of truth. No, not enough. Shaking with laughter, the monster bends down, takes our earth, our globe, our loud mother in his hand, and stands straight and huge. His wriggling tongue licks every corner of the earth. He has begun munching it. The sky fills with the poison of his breath, and he has begun munching it, our mother, our globe, our earth. My God, my heart is faint. I have only a flute to face this giant with. I have only a flute to face this giant with. Whom do I call through my flute? Whom do I search for? I search for a mighty one, mighty as the Varaha that rescued our mother from the depths of the sea. I am searching. Whom do I call through my flute? Who will come and save our mother, our earth? നാല് വരി നന്ദി പറഞ്ഞ് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞു നിർത്തിക്കൊള്ളാം. ദൂരയാരോ തെളിച്ചു കാട്ടുമാ ദീപവും നോക്കിയേറെയേകയായി കാത്തുവയ്ക്കുവാൻ ഒന്നുമില്ലാതെ തീർത്തു ചൊല്ലുവാൻ അറിവുമില്ലാതെ പൂക്കളില്ലാതെ പുലരിയില്ലാതെ ആർദ്രമേതോ വിളിക്കു പിന്നിലായി പാട്ടുമൂളി ഞാൻ പോകവേ നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടു നിന്നുവോ തോഴരേ. നന്ദി. താങ്ക് യു.